In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar booking on Shopify. We'll walk through the entire process of installing a booking app, connecting it to your online store, and setting up your availability so customers can easily book appointments right from your product page. Start by going to your Shopify admin account and logging in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the search bar at the very top of the page. Click into that search bar, then click on Apps. In the search field, type Tipo appointment and press enter on your keyboard. You should see an app called Tipo Appointment Booking. Click on it, then install the app. Follow the installation prompts that appear on screen, and when the installation completes, open the app to begin the setup. Inside the app, click Get Started. You'll be asked to enable the app on your online store. Click Enable. This will automatically take you to your online store editor. In the editor, look for the section called App Embeds. Find Tipo Appointment Booking and toggle it on. Then make sure to click Save so the changes apply to your theme. Once that's done, head back to the app setup screen and click Next. You'll now be asked how you want to set things up. Choose whether you're setting this up just for yourself or for a team member, then select your correct time zone. Click Next to continue. Now you'll set up your profile. Enter your first and last name, your email address, and if you like, your phone number. Next, you'll choose your availability on the calendar. You can move through the months using the right arrow to go forward and the left arrow to go back. If you click Show Less, it will reduce the number of weeks you see. Clicking Show More will display an additional week, and you can use those options multiple times for a better overview. Click on a specific date to edit your availability. A pop-up will appear where you can set your start and end time. You can also add an interval, which is useful if you want to be available in the morning, take a break, and then open up again in the afternoon. For example, you might set 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. for the morning, add an interval, and then set another time range for the afternoon. You can also mark a date as unavailable or available all day. At the bottom, choose whether these settings apply only to that single date, to all of that weekday, or to a specific date or week range. When you're happy with it, click Apply. Next, choose your booking type. Select Regular Booking. Then choose your payment method type. You can require customers to pay now, allow them to pay later, make the booking free, or let them choose between paying now or later. Click Next. A pop-up will appear where you select which product or products your bookings are for. Choose the product you want to attach the booking to, then click Add. You'll then configure how many people can join each appointment and how long each appointment lasts. For example, you might allow one person for every 60 minutes. You can also choose whether customers must pay to book or if they can book without paying at that moment. Once you've adjusted those options, click Next. At this point, your setup is complete. To see how it looks, go to your online store and navigate to the product you just connected to the booking app. Underneath that product, you should now see a Book Now button. When you click it, you'll see the booking calendar with the availability, duration, and payment options you just configured exactly as your customers will see it. And that's how you add a calendar booking system to your Shopify store using the Tipo Appointment Booking app.